Peace be with you and happy feast of the September Martyrs. The September Martyrs are a group of 191 faithful Christians who were martyred during the French Revolution on September 2 and 3, 1792. After refusing to take an oath in support of the civil constitution on the clergy, an act condemned by the Vatican which placed Catholic priests under the authority and control of the state. These priests and religious brothers and sisters were imprisoned in a Carmelite convent and then massacred in the span of 2 days by the bloodthirsty revolutionary mobs. Grabe, ano po, sa loob lang ng 2 araw, itong 191 faithful Christians, minasakar silang lahat. Grabe po ang kanilang faithful sa Panginoon. The September Martyrs, please pray for us and pray for the world peace. May God bless you and your beautiful family. See you all soon.